Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message from someone you don't follow on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on message requests on Instagram so you can stay connected and in control of your inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, look for the menu icon at the top right. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on it, and a menu will slide out from the side. From here, choose Settings. This is where you can customize all your Instagram preferences. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Messages and Story Replies. Tap on this to open up your messaging controls. This section lets you decide who can contact you and how their messages appear. Next, find and tap on Message Requests. This is the area where you can manage how messages from people you don't follow are handled. Under the Message Requests section, you'll see an option called Others on Instagram. Tap on this. Here, you'll see a few choices for how you want to handle messages from people who aren't in your followers list. To make sure you receive these messages as requests, select Message Requests. This means that messages from people you don't follow will go into a separate requests folder, so you can review them before deciding to reply or ignore. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on message requests on Instagram. With these settings, you have more control over who can reach your inbox and how you manage new conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.